जी हाँ, आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं कि हम
India has successfully achieved a soft landing on the moon, joining an elite group of countries including the USA, the former Soviet Union, and China. The Chandrayaan-3 mission, led by the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, consisted of 2 robotic explorers, a lander named Vikram and a rover named Pragyan. Their successful landing is especially significant given the challenges faced by India's previous lunar missions, Chandrayaan-1 and Chandrayaan-2. The latter's lander module, also named Vikram, lost communication shortly before landing in 2019, and despite ISRO's best efforts, was never re-established. Chandrayaan-3 has been orbiting the moon since early August. On Sunday, an engine burn pushed the lander into an elliptical orbit that passed within 15 miles of the surface. On Wednesday, as the spacecraft approached the low point of the orbit, moving at more than 3,700 miles per hour, a pre-programmed sequence of maneuvers commenced. The craft's 4 engines fired again at the start of what ISRO called the rough braking portion of the descent, its speed of fall accelerating. After 11.5 minutes, the lander was just over 4.5 miles above the surface and started rotating from a horizontal to a vertical position while continuing its descent. The spacecraft stopped to hover about 150 yards above the surface for a few seconds, then resumed its downward journey until it settled gently on the surface, about 370 miles from the South Pole. The landing sequence took about 19 minutes. Chandrayaan-3 is a scientific mission, timed for a 2-week period when the sun will shine on the landing site and provide energy for the solar-powered lander and rover. The lander and rover will use a range of instruments to make thermal, seismic, and mineralogical measurements. The primary objective of Chandrayaan-3 is to explore a previously uncharted area near the moon's southern pole, believed to hold significant reserves of frozen water and other valuable elements. This mission is set to last 2 weeks, during which the lander and rover will collect data and conduct scientific experiments. The success of Chandrayaan-3 is not just a testament to India's technological prowess, but also holds diplomatic significance. It comes at a crucial time for India, emphasizing its position as an ambitious rising power in the global arena. It has also implications for the broader space race. While India's achievement is commendable, the global space exploration landscape is rapidly evolving, with countries like China and the USA making significant advancements. The lunar South Pole, where Chandrayaan-3 landed, is of particular interest to several nations due to its potential reserves of frozen water, which could be pivotal for future space missions. India's space ambitions don't stop at the moon. The country is preparing for its first astronaut mission, Gaganyaan, and has plans for a solar observatory and a joint Earth observation satellite project with NASA. The private sector in India is also making strides, with a burgeoning space economy expected to grow exponentially in the coming years. The results of this achievement on the space race and India's position within it remain to be seen. What are your thoughts?